Welcome back to our channel. Are you struggling with Instagram because your swipe to reply option is not working? Well, if you are, then this video is for you, my friend. In this video, I'm going to guide you on a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix the swipe to reply feature not working. Now, without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Instagram app. Here, as you can see, right after opening your Instagram app, you'll be on the home page. From the home page here, you'll have to go on the chat space. From the chat space here, you can go on the person that you're talking with, and if you tap onto it, here as you can see on the screen, I do have the reply feature here. But if you are missing this reply feature, then in this video I'm going to guide you on how to get this feature. So in order to get your reply feature back, the first thing you're going to do is go back to your home page and simply tap on the Instagram for about 5 seconds. And here, as you can see on the bottom, you'll be able to see option uninstall. Here you'll have to tap on uninstall. After you have uninstalled your Instagram app, you'll have to go on the Play Store and reinstall your Instagram app. Uninstalling and reinstalling your Instagram app allows you to get the new updated version of your Instagram app. You should be able to get your reply feature back. Well, if in case you haven't gotten your reply feature back, then here's what you're going to do. You go on your Instagram app and once again go on your chat space. After going on your chat space, go on the chat and tap on it. Here you'll have to take a screenshot of the chat. Once you have taken the screenshot, you'll have to go back to your Instagram homepage once again. After you're on the Instagram homepage, here on the below, you'll be able to see various options. Here you'll have to tap on the profile icon. Once you're on your profile icon, here on the very top on the right hand side corner, you'll be able to see two options. One being the plus icon, and right besides that, there is a hamburger option. Here you'll have to tap on the hamburger option. Once you're on the hamburger option, here you'll have to tap on settings. After tapping on settings here, as you can see, there are many options such as follow and invite friends, notification, privacy, supervision, and so on. From here, you'll have to tap on help. Once you have tapped on help, here you'll have about 5 options being report a problem, account status, help center, privacy and security help, and support requests. Here you'll have to tap on the first option, that is report a problem. Here you'll once again get about 3 options being report spam or abuse, send feedback, or report a problem. Tap on report a problem. You'll get about 2 options, include and continue or don't include and continue. Tap on don't include and continue here and you'll be on the report a problem page. From the report a problem page on the below here, as you can see right above your keyboard, you can see 2 options, upload and screenshot. Here you have to tap on upload. And from here you'll have to choose the screenshot that you have recently taken. And then here you'll have to type, hey team Instagram, I have updated my app and done every possible thing to get quick reply feature back. Please help me get the quick reply feature back. Thank you. And here you'll have to tap on send, that is located on the top right hand side corner. And just like that, you should be able to get your Instagram quick reply feature back. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Have a good day.